Having noted that Panini divides Sanskrit verb roots into around 2000 and categorizes into A group and B group. We started with the A group. Example, Bhavati, Bhavasi, Bhavami. Now from the second group or B group, we take another daily used verb to be, which is Asti, Asi, and Asmi. So here also in the plural, masculine, third person, we have Sandhi, the plural of Asti. For the time being, we are ignoring the dual person, and even at the start, the plural conjugations like sta, sma, I don't think I can manage to remember. But younger people in the group and more interested and having more time, they may find it. But for the cursory learners of Sanskrit, it will still do a great lot to understand the most commonly used words like here, like we have heard some 10 years ago, a Western economist made a remark about Kerala economies that the Malayalis are having a standard of life equal to some Westerners at a very lower cost.